Keala Joan Settle is an American actress and singer. Settle originated the role of Norma Valverde in Hands on a Hardbody, which ran on Broadway in 2013 and was nominated for the Outer Critics Circle Award, Drama Desk Award, and Tony Award for Best Featured Actress in a Musical. In 2017, she portrayed Lettie Lutz, a bearded lady, in the musical film The Greatest Showman. The song This Is Me from the film, principally sung by Settle, won the 2018 Golden Globe Award for Best Original Song and was nominated for the Academy Award for Best Original Song. On January 27, 2019, Settle sang Seasons of Love in Fox's Rent live. Settle was born in Hawaii, the eldest of 5 children of Suzanne, who is of Maori descent from New Zealand, and British-born David Settle. She is a graduate of Kahuku High School and an alumna of Southern Utah University. Settle made her Broadway debut in 2011 in Priscilla, Queen of the Desert as Shirley, and in the ensemble. Settle originated the role of Norma Valverde in Hands on a Hardbody, a musical which ran briefly on Broadway in 2013 and is based on the 1997 documentary about real people competing to win a new truck. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.